I'm going to show you how to replace the fuse. So the 12-volt socket works on this BMW 5 Series. So the front console one doesn't work. The middle one actually works because it's on a different fuse line, as you can see. The back one, let's see if I could show you this, does not light up. So the back one doesn't work. So the back and the front is on the same fuse, which is, I'm not sure if you could see, it's the second from the bottom. It's the yellow one, and it's the 20 amp, which I'm gonna replace with a brand new one. So it's this guy right here. Not sure if you could see that I'm gonna pull out. So I just pulled it out, and as you can see, it's busted. So I'm going to replace it with a new one. So the new one is back in. Let's see if that did the trick. Voila. Not sure if you could see, but see the light? It's the center console. Still works because I didn't do anything to it. And let's check the back. Voila. Hope this helps you guys.